Welcome back mga kakusina, and today we have another easy and delicious recipe here from the Cucinera at its finest. Now alam kong marami sa inyo ang ayaw kumain ng okra because the texture, of course, madulas siya sa ating panlasa. Now kung alam nyo lang gaano kasustansya ang okra guys, in fact, it is one of the superfoods na madali nyong mabibili sa inyong grocery store, supermarket o palengke. Today, gagawa tayo ng crispy okra at crispy eggplant or talong para meron tayong variation sa kinakain natin araw-araw during this enhanced community quarantine. Now for this recipe, we're gonna need okra and we're gonna need eggplant or talong. Now, hindi ko nasasabihin sa inyo guys kung gaano karami ang dapat ninyong bilhin. Depende yan kung ilan kayo sa inyong pamamahay. So, what I'm doing is tinatanggal ko yung mga tough end parts ng okra. So, I'm slicing the tough part at the top and the bottom. And I am slicing the okra in half para pag pinrito natin ito, madali itong maluto. So, we're gonna do the same for the eggplant. So, mas prefer ko na hinahati muna sa gitna para makikita ko kung meron akong kailangang i-dispose na part. So far, magandang klaseng eggplant yung nabili ko guys. And I'm just slicing it yung para ka lang ordinary nagpiprito ng talong. So, our eggplant and okra are ready. It's prepared. Now, we're gonna make the batter. Now for the batter, we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/8 cup of cornstarch. I'm adding 3/4 teaspoon of Spanish paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients together and then we're gonna add water. Now we're gonna gradually add water to our flour mixture, and dahan-dahan lang guys because we don't want a very wet consistency. Medyo thick ang kailangan natin para talagang ma-coat niya yung ating eggplant and okra. Now, ready na tayo mag-fry guys. We're gonna heat up oil in our pan. So, i-ready na natin yung ating batter and we're gonna add okra to this. Iko-coat natin yung okra. And once your oil is at the right temperature, we can start frying the okra. Mabilis lang ito guys, mga about 2 to 3 minutes. If you wanna eyeball it, kung ayaw ninyong mag-timer, as long as golden brown na yung ating coating, ready na yung ating okra. So, we're gonna fry everything. And once the okra is done, we're gonna strain it para ma-remove yung excess oil niya. And you might wanna clean up yung inyong mantika or oil. Tatanggalin natin yung mga mumu-mumu, okay? Para hindi madaling masunog yung ating susunod na batch when you're frying. So, if kung meron kayong skimmer, tatanggalin nyo yung mga bits and pieces na nalalaglag or excess butter na napupunta sa mantika, just like this. Now, we're gonna do the same for the eggplant or talong. Actually, yung iba sa inyo gusto yung ordinaryong prito lang. Pero subukan nyo rin ito guys, yung meron siyang coating para maiba naman yung panlasa ninyo when it comes to fried talong. Magiging crispy talong na siya. So, once golden brown na ulit siya, we're gonna strain the excess oil. And we're gonna fry everything until ready to serve na yung ating eggplant and okra. So this is it guys, the finished product. We have your crispy okra and crispy talong. You can make your own sauce, pwedeng ketchup, pwedeng toyo mansi. You can make your own vinegar dipping for this, and I guarantee you isa itong napakasustansyang pagkain during this time na nasa bahay lang tayo.